we're really a bridge for most of the industry. We're not starting in cloud as a means of our way we run a business or an application. We're starting as an established and mature company and bridging ourselves and bridging others and our customers into a new framework.
So from my point of view, our focus on enterprise customers, on what enterprise users are trying to do today in their enterprise data centers, and how cloud helps them do what they're doing today, but at bigger scale and at higher value. Yeah. We are also users of the cloud. I mean, IBM, we are a big enterprise. We have lots of developers. So we are, in fact, we've experienced firsthand what it means really to develop application around software stack.
It's definitely a challenge, right? Straddling that line between what we traditionally provide our enterprise customers and what the new non-traditional cloud customers are expecting. But from a hosting perspective, virtualization's pretty much the first step, right? That a customer would basically follow to actually go into a cloud hosting environment, right? Yeah. I mean, so you virtualize, you automate, then you try to get into some level of standardization, and finally you get to the point that your application can actually scale, for instance, right? Dynamically based on the capabilities provided for the cloud, by the cloud.
If I think you mentioned virtualization, Milton, and another aspect of virtualization is the image management, the ability to say, look, now that I create a software stack, I'm a developer, I configure my software stack to do my development or test. Now I can capture the software stack and bring it back into our library. And we have our library. I think it's really a key differentiator.
Yeah, I think that's a really key part, because we're taking and changing the way people think of IT and almost graduating or encapsulating the best practices, right, of what we think of as more application development, testing, and even systems type folks, and embedding it into an automated process, right? Simplifying that and delivering, really it's culture change, right? It goes right back into this theme of a bridge, right? Because we have existing infrastructure out in the wild, and we're giving people a way of getting into the cloud, getting the benefits of cloud, and getting them a way to expand what they think of as their data center, right? And stop thinking about it as a whole bunch of work with a whole huge team with a lot of money and capital. There is a new model here, and I think that's what's really exciting here.